We know that days and night do occur in a cycle and makes a month. Months together make a year, and years make an age called Yuga in India. But do we know that who made the system of months and thus the year? India is an exception. Unlike other ancient civilizations of the world, it has preserved the historical information about who made the system of months. As per the Atharva Veda, it was the great sage Atri who made the system of months. Atri's months were the solar months. Here is the evidence. दिवि त्वात्रि धारयत् सूर्याय मासाय कर्तवे स एषि सुधृत स्तपन विश्वाभूता वाचकशत्. Atharvaved 13.2.12. O sun, the Atri holds you as the maker of months. You, by burning hot, make every worldly object visible in your light. The prerequisite to creation of system of months is the some degree of astronomical knowledge. We shall have to see if Indians of Vedic period were really engaged in astronomical studies or not. In the Rig Veda recorded are the numerous instances of astronomical studies, most importantly the application of Namon. In Vedic Sanskrit, Namon is called Shanku. In the very first mandala of Rig Veda, another Rishi, Dirghatama Aukatya, mentions the Shanku. Here is the evidence. द्वादश प्रदयश्चक्रमेकं त्रीणि नभ्यानीकौ तश्चिकेत तस्मिन्नासकं त्रिशतान्न षड्गो वो अर्पिताः षष्टिर्न चलासः. Rigved 1.164.48. The 12 spokes are set in one wheel having 3 hubs. Who knows it? Inside it there are 360 days mounted over the Namon, Shanku, which never slacken. In the typical metaphoric style, the Rishi Dirghatama Aukatya refers to the Namon, Shanku. He intuitively visualizes year as a wheel and 3 seasons of a year as 3 hubs of the wheel and 360 days mounted over the device called Namon. The pioneer sage Atri's astronomical pursuits were just not limited to making the system of months. He also built an instrument called Turiya and used it for measuring the extent of solar eclipse. The Rig Veda preserves the historical record in its 5th mandala. Swarbhano Radhayadindra Maya Avo Divo Vartamana Avahan Guldam Suryam Tamasa Pravratena Turiyena Brahmana Vindadatrihi. Rigved 5.40.6. O Indra, the Swarbhanu spreading down the illusion from radiating sky by creating a chaotic situation of dense darkness, Atri, using the instrument of Turiya, dispelled the illusion and received the sun back. Many of you may find it unbelievable that Atri's instrument Turiya is still being used in traditional observatories. Turiya, the unbroken continuity since Atri's time, referred to in Siddhantic astronomical text, 1658 Common Era, Kamlakar Bhatt in Siddhanta Tattva Viveka, 1200 Common Era, Bhaskaracharya in Siddhanta Shiromani, 650 Common Era, Brahmagupta in Brahmashputa Siddhanta, constructed in traditional observatories, Jantar Mantar Jaipur, Lal Bahadur Shastri Sanskrit Vidyapita, New Delhi.